It's June. Somebody texts you, hey, do you want to go to the lake this weekend? And instead of feeling excited, you feel a pit in your stomach because you know that you don't have the money right now. And maybe it's a road trip with friends or an amusement park with the kids. Maybe a family get together a couple states away. This is the best season for many of us because we only get it for a couple months. But for so many of us, it quietly becomes the most financially stressful one. And then September hits and you're looking at your credit card bill wondering, how did I do this again? Today, I want to show you exactly how to make sure that never happens. And I call it the summer fund. Here's what nobody ever talks about. Summer is expensive. For me, I only get it 3 months out of the year, so I am going to enjoy it to the fullest. I want to be outside. I want to be going places. I want to have people over. I want to have picnics. And that's more expense. That's more drinks. It's more food. It's more gas. It's admission tickets to places that I don't normally go in the winter. It's last minute decisions. So you either say yes, put it on your credit card, or say no. And then you're sitting at home, left behind, feeling left out. And here's the thing that gets me. We know summer's coming. It happens every year. So why do we always get caught off guard? I get caught off guard too. So I want to help you fix this and figure things out because this is how we all learn. This is how I learned. I went completely nutso one summer and I put a lot of stuff on my credit card. That's how we learn things the hard way. I never want to do it again. I'm never doing that again. So I always plan and I save a little bit of money every month and put it in my summer fund. I put what I can into it because it's just like Christmas or back to school shopping. We know it's going to happen. We know Christmas comes every December. We know that our car registration is going to be due. So this is more like a little sinking fund. If you've watched my other videos, you get it. I love a good sinking fund. This is part of the sinking fund. You could incorporate it into your sinking fund. I have it separate. It's my summer fund. And I put what I can into this fund. If it's $100 sometimes, if it's $20 sometimes, I put it in there. So by the time summer comes, I have money to do things. And I can go on a vacation if asked to. I can go on a road trip. I can go to a concert or a last minute party. And some years it's $500 and some years it's $2,000. And some years I have money left over. And if you ever have money left over in your summer fund, you want to put it to good use. And so then at the end, when winter hits again, you could roll it over into your Christmas club fund. You could put it towards your emergency fund. You could keep it in your summer fund for next year, roll it over, and keep adding to that. And then you'll have more than enough to enjoy your summer to the fullest. Make sure you open a separate savings account for this because we don't want to wrap it up into anything else. That's how things get spent accidentally. We kind of want it out of sight, out of mind when we're saving for it, so we don't get tempted to use it. And this is the part that a lot of women get wrong. They feel guilty for spending this money that they've saved for summer. Don't feel guilty. You've worked hard for this money. You have this money to be able to say yes without zero guilt. And that's the whole point. This is a guilt-free account, and we want to be able to just use it to the fullest. I want to say something real quick before I wrap this video up. A lot of women do feel guilty about using this money on fun things instead of maybe an emergency fund or debt. But we're all human. We work hard and we deserve this fun. We only get one life. And yes, we do need to take care of our debt. Yes, we do need to make an emergency fund. But if you're specifically saving for this summertime fun, you know it's coming and you don't want to be caught off guard because you know you will be, use it. Don't feel guilty. We want to have confidence with our money. We want to say yes to the people we love that invite us to these gatherings. And when you're ready to have some summer fun, you have money in there. Even if it's $50 that you could put in there, that would cover a quick trip to the lake. If you go to dinner or your gas money, spend time with friends, or $50 would cover going to the grocery store and picking up some food to have a quick picnic. Even something to prevent using your credit card and going into debt this summer. That's what we want to prevent. We don't want a big credit card bill in the next couple months because we had way too much fun. We want to plan and prepare and have confidence with our money and put it in the right direction. Do me a favor and share this video with at least one woman who needs to hear this. And I will see you guys all next week.